Hello everyone, I am Chilla with Moldex 3D. Thank you for joining today's webinar about mold filling simulation for everyday products incorporating smart surfaces with PUR molding. We have here today Oliver Stahl of Chemigon, Dan Roselman of Kraus Maffei, and Casey from Moldex 3D with us. Oliver Stahl is the managing director of Chemigon LLC, a distributor and technical consultant of plastic materials and systems. He is a representative of Ruhl Pyromer, a manufacturer of polyurethane for the direct coating process. He has been in the plastics industry for 30 years. Oliver was with A. Schulman in various positions as Business Manager Europe as well as General Manager Americas for the engineering business unit commercial education in Germany. Dan Roselman has been a technical sales manager with Kraus Maffei since 2022. He is currently responsible for Kraus Maffei's composites and surface solutions in North America. He has been in the capital equipment industry for plastics and composites for over 12 years. Recently, he has also become the technical sales manager for KM's LSAM power print system. Casey is the application engineer at Moldex 3D with nearly 17 years of experience in the manufacturing industry and software solutions. A graduate with a master's degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Texas at Arlington. Casey is known for his expertise in handling complex molding simulations and client support. His dedication, knowledge, and client-centric approach have set a new standard in the industry, making him a valued mentor and professional in his field. Here is the outline of today's webinar. It's divided into 3 sections. The first section, PU in mold coating, presented by Chemigon, will be going over introduction and evolution of the in-mold coating technology and the overview of the process. The second section, process machinery, presented by Kraus Maffei, will go over the equipment required, tooling and PU systems, benefits of the system compared to typical spray applied coatings, and pros and cons of the technology. In the last section, we will be talking about simulation presented by Moldex 3D. It will show you a case study, introduction to design of experiments, and optimizing injection molding process. With that, Oliver, over to you.
We apply the material while we shoot the part. And if that has been heard, if my mic was on at that point, we go now to this video to show the process and how the molding process works. So now we see, again, it closes the tool.
And then finally, just to show a video. So this is a AM developed system. The entire thing was built by Kraus Maffei. It's a pillar for a car in Europe. Full production, and you'll see here we're producing 2 inners and 2 outers. There's the spin stack. So here we're closing, we're injection molding 4 parts. Again, 2 inner parts and 2 internal parts. There's the mix head in the center of the screen there on the U-shaped bracket. Rotating and closing.
And this is pressure curve. It describes how much pressure needed in order to have a part get a full shot. So in the left side here, you can see the material for the PC material start to flow into the part. And then the pressure goes higher because material flow longer and longer. Eventually, we will need around like 110-ish megapascal. And for the PU material, since this is a thermoset, you could see the pressure is much lower. It's only needed around 0.24 megapascal.